Thoracic organs. My name is Nasser Escobar. Here, a muscular organ responsible for pumping blood through the circulatory system is located thoracic cavity behind the sternum and above the diaphragm. It has four chambers, two atria, and two ventricles. Esophagus. A muscular tube of the digestive system that transports food and liquids from the pharynx to the stomach through peristaltic movements. Sternum. A bone located at the front of the chest that protects vital organs such as heart and lungs. Diaphragm. A dome-shaped muscle that separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity and facilitates respiration. Right atrium. One of the four chambers of the heart receives oxygenated blood from the body through the superior vena cava, upper body, and inferior vena cava, lower body. It also receives blood from the heart itself via the coronary sinus. Blood then flows into the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. Left atrium. Another chamber of the heart that receives oxygenated blood from the lungs through the pulmonary veins to air from each lung. It pumps blood into the left ventricle through the mitral valve. Major blood vessels. These include arteries and veins that enter and exit the heart. Aorta. The main artery that distributes oxygenated blood. Superior and inferior vena cava, which return the oxygenated blood to the heart. Left atrium. Another chamber of the heart that receives oxygenated blood from the lung. Tricuspid valve located between the right atrium and right ventricle, preventing backflow of blood during contraction. Mitral valve, a valve located between the left ventricle, ensuring one-way blood flow from the atrium to the ventricle. Pulmonary veins, four veins, two from each lung that transport oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium. Ventricles. The lower chamber of the heart that pumps blood to the body and lungs. The right ventricle sends blood to the lungs through to the pulmonary artery, and the left ventricle pumps into to recess the body via the aorta. Right ventricle. One of the four chambers of the heart is receive the oxygenated blood from the right atrium and pumps into the pulmonary trunk through the pulmonary valve, sending blood to the lungs for oxygenation. Left ventricle. The thickest water chamber of the heart. It receives the oxygenated blood from the left atrium and pumps into the aorta. Mediastinum. The central space of the thoracic cavity that contains the heart, great vessels, esophagus, trachea, thymus, and lymphatic structures. Thymus, a lymphatic organ located in the mediastinum that plays roles in immune system development during childhood. Trachea, a cartilaginous conduit to transport air from the edge lung and further divided into secondary bronchioles. Pulmonary veins return oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Pulmonary arteries transport the oxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs for oxygenation. Lungs, the primary organ of the respiratory system responsible for gas exchange, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Intercostal muscles, a set of muscles located between the ribs that assist in respiration from expanding and contracting the ribcage during inhalation and exhalation.